Who are you?
Friends.
You're Thomas? What does Thomas say? Whoop, get up. Can I see the back of Thomas? Very good. What does Thomas say? What does Thomas say? What else does he say? Does he say chug, chug, chug?
The island of Sodor is surrounded.
Can you run down the tracks for me?
It has fields of green and yellow beaches.
Uh-oh, did Thomas crash? Come back, Thomas.
Birds. There are windmills and a coal mine. And docks. The island,
Uh-huh, come down the track. Say choo-choo.
the island also has lots and lots of railways.
Alright, stand up. Let me see your Thomas hat. Very nice. Blow your whistle.
Hello, Thomas.
Say bye.
Hello, everybody.
Can you say bye, Thomas?
Welcome to the island of Sodor.
Say bye. As you can tell, he really loves his Thomas the Train costume. Bye-bye.